All right, so I'm back in the house. I'm about to start dinner. And I thought, since I picked this beautiful, like Skittles tray. It's from the garden today. I'm so excited about it. Anyway, I haven't done a taste test of my peppers. And I think now's the time. I think we're gonna do it. And I'm a little scared. I have a little dollop of peanut butter because I heard the peanut butter, the oils like kill the pepper burn if it gets too much. So I have 3 kinds of peppers. I have my Aji Lemon Drop. I have my Buena Mulata. And I have Cayenne. Now, the Cayenne looks the same as a Jimmy Nardello. I think this is a Jimmy Nardello, and I think this is a long thing Cayenne. That's what I'm gonna hope. I'm gonna hope. Now, before I do the peppers, I wanna try my very first Tycoon. This is my Tycoon tomato that I picked when it was green before the freeze. So I had it on the windowsill and it did ripen. It's got a little blemish right there. But other than that, it looks really beautiful. So this is the indeterminate that I have in the pot out there. It's still got a bunch of fruit. So let me slice into this and we'll see how it tastes. Oh, I'm gonna tell you, that looks like a grocery store tomato. Like it literally looks like a grocery store tomato. I hope it tastes better. We'll see. So I'm gonna take the pointy top. Let me just cut a wedge here. Okay, so there it is. See the gel, see the meat. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what, tastes like a grocery store tomato. Here comes the air kicking on. Isn't that crazy? It's because I have the oven on. I'm gonna tell you, it's not horrible, but it doesn't like make my cheeks tingle and pucker. It tastes like a grocery store tomato. Looks just like one. Anyway, I grew it from the start. Still don't know how I feel about that. I didn't grow it from seed, you know. I feel like it's cheating, but it's not. Okay, it's not. And yes, I'm talking with a mouthful. Anyway, it's not bad. My husband's gonna love it. Okay, there it is. Tycoon. Couldn't choke on it. Now we're gonna do peppers. So, full disclosure, I've tasted the cayenne. I've tasted cayenne pepper before. Anyway, it burned. It burned. It was burning. The Aji Lemon Drop I used in eggs last week. I sliced up one, a small one, and I put it in scrambled eggs. Like I sauteed it first in butter, and I used some bok choy, and then I poured my eggs over it. I'm gonna tell you, it gave my mouth some heat, like it heated up my mouth, but it wasn't a sharp burn. Like it was very warm and tingly and buzzy. My whole mouth was buzzing, but it wasn't like a sharp, like hot fire. It was like a smolder. Now I don't know what it's gonna taste like raw, uncooked, and just in my mouth. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna start with the Aji Lemon Drop. This one, the Buena Mulata, I've never. Should I start with Buena Mulata because I've never tasted it ever? Let's do Buena Mulata. I'm just gonna bite it. It's my peanut butter. Okay. It's immediately hot. It's immediately hot. I haven't even chewed it. I haven't even chewed it. It's immediately hot. That's a no. Immediately hot. Nope. So that'll just be for cooking and flavoring things. Okay. I was gonna chew it up and I couldn't do it. I'm a big baby. Okay. Immediately hot. Way hotter than a Cayenne. Or you know, jalapenos that I'm used to. My lips are burning. My lips are on fire. Right inside the lip. That's hot. I'm just gonna coat my mouth. That helps. That's helping. Okay. I'm good now. I'm better. So, this is hot. It's hot. Okay. Now I'm scared to do this. And so, let me pick the most lemony yellow one. Okay, I'm gonna go with this darker one here. That looks nice. Very pretty. Scared. Okay. Yep, there's heat. There's heat. I got it in my throat. I didn't want it down my throat. Okay, so that has a good flavor, okay? It started out with a good flavor. It started out like a little bit fruity. Now my tongue's on fire. Now my tongue's on fire. I'm just gonna let the peanut butter sit on my tongue for a minute. I just need I need pepper to be in food. I need it to be in food and not just raw on my tongue. It was great in the eggs. Okay. 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 I highly recommend the peanut butter. I highly recommend peanut butter. It's helping. It's helping. I have taken very small bites. That's all I've done and I am regretting it. Okay. Okay. I think that water's just gonna make it burn more. Okay. Next. I'm glad I did the Cayenne last because I don't think it's as hot. I just don't know which one is the Cayenne. I think this one might be. Yeah. Or is that a Jimmy Nardello? I can't tell. Is my mouth so numb? I can't tell. Nope. Nope, in the swallow. That's a Cayenne. Wow. Okay. So those other first two are so freaking hot. Now I feel it. Now I feel the Cayenne. Now. Yep, that's Cayenne. Wow. That was so numb. I thought it was a sweet pepper for a good 5 seconds. Okay. Well. Okay. I think that was just the right amount of peanut butter. I thought I was going to give the rest of the dogs. This is burning. I don't know how y'all like this stuff, but just raw. And no, I will never taste it like a scorpion or one of those Scotch bonnets or reapers. Mm-mm. Oh my gosh, my lips and my... Well, I'm glad I finally did it though, and we'll just save all these peppers for like cooking. Like I'm gonna make some chicken thighs tonight. I'm gonna saute some chicken thighs. I thought if I just saute them in some olive oil and add some flavor, I'll pick some bok choy and I'll add some peppers. Just I think one or two of these peppers for like the entire dish will be fine. Oh man. Anyway, I'm not a pepper person, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't regret it, but I do. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, so there's dinner. Turned out really good. Chicken thighs, au gratin potatoes, and then I just did a medley of vegetables. The mushrooms are not from the garden, and I don't think the onions are mine. There's a dishwasher. But I've got some bok choy in there. I've got my peppers that I picked today and some garlic, and it turned out really good. So if I could hold the camera straight, there's dinner. Okay, bye.